Okay, so today we are diving into the fascinating world of Toncoin. And you know those airdrops, those free cryptocurrency giveaways?
Yeah.
Well, they're usually a cause for
Oh,
celebration.
yeah, everybody loves free crypto.
But this time around, they seem to have done more harm than good.
Right.
And we got some articles from a listener actually detailing Toncoin's recent downturn.
Interesting.
Yeah, and maybe before we jump into it, we should give everyone a super quick overview of Toncoin. So Toncoin, or the TON,
Okay.
is it's connected to the Telegram messaging app.
Right.
So the one with all the encryption and uh,
Yeah,
like
but lots of users.
tons of users, exactly. So we're dealing with a crypto that has a really big potential user base, right?
Absolutely.
Um, but one of the articles you sent me pointed out that active Toncoin addresses are at like a 6-month low.
Hmm.
And apparently these recent airdrops, these free cryptocurrency giveaways,
Right.
they seem to be playing a role in all of this.
Yeah, that's not usually how it goes.
Right. So these airdrops are called Doge.S and Hamster Combat.
Uh-huh.
And they just flopped,
Yeah, they seem to have really backfired.
big time.
Big time.
So what happened? Did the airdrop tokens just not have any value? Were they just junk?
Pretty much, yeah. The tokens just didn't have much intrinsic value, and it seems like a lot of people jumped in hoping to make a quick buck, and well, it didn't quite work out that way.
Yeah, the short-term holders are always like, to the moon.
Yeah, to the moon.
But this raises a question for me.
Yeah.
Why would Telegram, a company with a great reputation for tech savvy, why would they airdrop essentially worthless tokens?
It's a really good question. There's some people out there who are speculating that it was maybe just poor execution,
Okay.
maybe a miscalculation of what the market would want.
Yeah, yeah.
But then there's other people suggesting that this could all be part of some master plan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a way to maybe weed out those short-term holders,
Okay.
attract those who are really in it for the long haul, the believers.
Oh, wow. So maybe it's like a calculated risk.
Maybe.
They're like, let's just shake things up a bit and see who's really here to stay.
That's one way to look at it.
But that leads to another point in the articles that you sent me.
Okay.
They talk about selling pressure. And I think basically what it means is all those disappointed short-term holders are selling off their Toncoin. And that's driving the price down.
Right. Yeah, that's exactly right. It's just classic supply and demand at work.
Right.
And according to one of your sources, they're actually predicting that Toncoin could drop to $4.46 unless something changes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a huge drop.
It is.
But it's important to remember that it is just a prediction.
Right.
It's not like a guaranteed thing.
Definitely not.
Okay. So, the articles also talk about how future airdrops could actually reverse this whole downward trend.
Uh-huh.
Can you explain that to me a little bit? Sure. What kind of airdrop would it take to get people excited about Toncoin again?
Well, imagine this. What if Telegram airdropped tokens that actually gave you something, like access to premium features or voting rights on new stuff coming to Telegram?
Okay, yeah.
Or how about this? What if the airdrop tied into some brand new project that was being built on the Toncoin blockchain?
Ooh, okay, I see what you're getting at. They have to create something that people actually want to use.
Yeah.
Not just another meme coin with a funny name.
Exactly.
Yeah, make it valuable, make it useful, and then suddenly everybody wants in.
Right.
And that could definitely reignite interest and boost demand for Toncoin.
Absolutely. Yeah. And that's why these future airdrops are going to be so interesting to watch. They
Yeah.
really could be a turning point for Toncoin.
Yeah, for better or for worse.
Exactly.
So for everyone listening out there, here's what I think is the big takeaway from all of this. Toncoin's recent struggles are they're a pretty good example of how powerful these airdrops can be. They can really influence the value of cryptocurrency.
Oh, for sure.
And it shows how much the crypto market is driven by psychology and hype and speculation.
Yeah. Especially in the short term.
Right.
It really makes you wonder, is Telegram just kind of messing around, experimenting with these airdrops? Or is there something more going on here?
Yeah. Are they trying to manipulate the value of Toncoin?
Right. Or are they really trying to build a community around this technology?
Ooh, that's a good question. Is Telegram playing chess while everybody else is playing checkers?
Who knows?
That's pretty wild. Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Toncoin and the world of cryptocurrency.
Yeah, this was fun.
Keep those brains buzzing. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See you. Bye.